Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering what you need and securing the dart. Hold the barrel in a cloth or soft vise. This prevents scratches while you work. Once done, use pliers or the correct wrench to steady the tip area. You want control but not crushing force. Now grip the worn tip and turn counterclockwise to remove it. If it's stuck, apply penetrating motion while pulling outward slightly to free threads. You're ready to inspect the shaft and prepare threads for the new tip. You now focus on the middle steps, cleaning and prepping threads so the new tip seats securely. Once the old tip is off, inspect the barrel thread for cross-threading or metal shards. A small brush and isopropyl will remove grease and grit. Make any tiny burrs smooth with a fine file, moving gently to preserve thread pitch. Next, if you choose Teflon tape, wrap sparingly. If using removable thread locker, apply one small dot. These steps ensure the replacement tip threads in straight and holds under play. You finish by installing and testing the new tip. Start threading the replacement clockwise by hand until it's finger tight. Make sure it goes in straight. Once seated, give a controlled quarter turn with pliers, no more to avoid stripping. After installation, perform a few short throws to confirm alignment and grip feel. If the tip shifts or loosens, stop and reapply Teflon or a removable thread locker and retighten. One key troubleshooting tip: if you hear rattling, disassemble and reclean threads before reapplying adhesive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.